Hello students, how are you? We are going to start Unit 10 Training in Sports Part 2 Endurance and Types of Endurance. Endurance, a very important component of physical fitness. It is the defined as tendency of the body to work for long without getting fatigued. It is the ability of the muscle to sustain localized muscle group activity for extended period of time. For example, the number of sit-ups an individual can complete in 1 minute is often used to measure the endurance of the muscle and long distance running. Types of endurance. Types of endurance according to the nature of activity. Basic endurance. Basic endurance is also called aerobic endurance because it depends mainly on aerobic endurance. In fact, basic endurance is the ability to perform movements in which large number of body muscles are involved and the activity is performed at a slow pace for a long duration, such as swimming, walk for 30 minutes, jogging. It is the basic form of all other types of endurance. Next, general endurance. General endurance is not specific to any sport. It is development through general exercise. It is the ability to do sports movements of general nature under conditions of fatigue. It includes movements with higher and lower tendency intensity for long period. Its duration is shorter than basic endurance. Next, specific endurance. It is the ability to do sport movements of a particular sport under conditions of fatigue. The specific endurance is also different respectively. It differs from game to game. Next, types of endurance according to the duration of activity. Speed endurance. Speed endurance is the ability to resist fatigue in activities lasting up to 45 seconds. The event of 400-meter sprint is the most suitable example of speed endurance. This ability is highly dependent on the power and capacity of energy production. Next, short term endurance. This endurance ability is needed for cycling activity lasting from about 45 seconds to 2 minutes. This endurance also depends on strength endurance and speed endurance. Next, middle term endurance. The middle term endurance is needed for sports activity which lasts from 2 to 11 minutes. It also depends on strength endurance and speed endurance but to a limited degree. The endurance needed for 1500-meter race. Next, long term endurance. Long term endurance is needed in such sports activities which last for more than 11 minutes. The sports activities such as 5,000-meter and 10,000-meter cross country and marathon races require such types of endurance. Okay, thanks to all.